Does Windows 10 need antivirus? Is Windows Defender good enough? According to the latest report, there is an average of 419 new threats every minute. 419, in just 60 seconds. These figures say it all. You need definitely the best antivirus for your Windows 10. When it comes to protecting the system, files, data from the cyber criminals, you need to download the security software that constantly scans malware and viruses. If you are running a Windows 10, should you install antivirus? Well, technically, yes. To protect it from the external threats, like viruses, malware, spyware, and phishing emails, you should install an antivirus. However, Windows 10 comes with a Windows Defender, but its functionality slows down your system. You can increase the performance of the software along with protection by installing the best third-party security system. What is the best security system for Windows 10? Detecting and eliminating the threats of malware, antivirus is necessary. It works as a protective layer which doesn't allow any unauthorized program to enter in your system. The ratio of online threats is readily increasing. To not become the next online threats victim, it is good to install the best antivirus in the system. A2Z is the most popular and advanced features-based antivirus that offers real-time monitoring, internet security, and protects your data from potential online threats. How A2Z Defender antivirus protects your system. A2Z Defender scans all the files and websites for potential threats. If it finds something phishing, it blocks the access or stops the installation of the files. Constant scanning in the background affects performance. But, it saves you from the highest risk activities. You need an antivirus in your system, no matter how wisely you browse. Being touchy is not enough to protect you from external threats, and antivirus offers you safe and secure browsing experience. Windows Defender is not enough, use A2Z Defender, too. Windows Defender can protect your system, but these days, it is important to have advanced functionality-based antivirus like A2Z Defender to protect your system. This security system claims to be able to detect any kind of virus and offers you zero-attack browsing experience. It also contains anti-malware, to block extortion attacks. This software stops harmful software from reaching your system to steal the data. Downloading the A2Z Defender scan pop notification, malware, ransomware, and other potential threats and give you a relief that you are pretty well protected. Get in touch with us by dialing A2Z Defender toll-free number 1-888-922-4777. Want to know more about this software? If yes, then dial our 24/7 available A2Z Defender toll-free number and get the help from our techies. They are readily available to help every customer in the best possible way. A2Z Defender provide A2Z protection for your Mac devices, secure your data, ransomware protection, block phishing sites, safeguard your children from cyber threats with the help of a powerful firewall protection. For more information and benefits of A2Z Defender, visit A2ZDefender.com. Call our toll-free 1-888-922-4777.